Welcome to Bike Zone Pro. The 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod marks a bold step forward for the iconic brand. Built for those who crave the thrill of the open road, this model blends Harley's legendary craftsmanship with a futuristic approach to design and performance. It's tailored for riders who demand both style and substance in their ride. Design and features. Crafted with a focus on aerodynamics and urban agility, the V-Rod features a sleek, streamlined body and aggressive stance. The new model integrates state-of-the-art LED lighting, a digital dashboard, and smart connectivity options that enhance the riding experience. Its ergonomics have been rethought to offer both comfort and control, ensuring a commanding presence on any road. Performance and technology. Under the hood, the 2025 V-Rod is powered by an upgraded engine that promises impressive torque and smooth acceleration. Advanced suspension and braking systems work in tandem with modern ride assist technologies, offering precision handling and safety. The motorcycle's tech suite is designed to provide real-time diagnostics and seamless connectivity, keeping you informed and in control at all times. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of innovation and heritage reimagined. Its blend of cutting-edge technology and classic Harley-Davidson spirit makes it a compelling choice for riders looking to elevate their journey. Stay tuned to Bike Zone Pro for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in motorcycle innovation.